The Pakistanis for Labour hosted a landmark event in the British Parliament to celebrate International Women's Day. The event, titled Empowering British Pakistani Women Breaking Barriers in the UK Economy, attracted a full audience in the committee room, including human rights activists, community leaders, and professionals from various fields. The councillor Shahid Nadeem, chair of Pakistanis for Labour, warmly welcomed the participants and expressed gratitude for their overwhelming support. The gathering saw the participation of numerous MPs and prominent figures who highlighted the significance of the day and the critical role of women in society. The event featured powerful speeches from the Art Honsar Stephen Timms, Minister of State for the Department for Work and Pensions and Member of Parliament for East Ham; Yasmin Qureshi, Member of Parliament for Bolton South and Wogden and British Trade Envoy for Egypt; Imran Hussain, Member of Parliament for Bradford East; Afzal Khan, Member of Parliament for Manchester Rusholme and British Trade Envoy for Turkey; Mohammed Yasin, Member of Parliament for Bedford and Kempston and British Trade Envoy for Pakistan; Tahir Ali, Member of Parliament for Birmingham Hall Green; Bayo Alaba, Member of Parliament for Southend and Rochford East; Natasha Irons, Member of Parliament for Croydon East; Steve Witherden, a Member of Parliament for Montgomeryshire and Glyndwr; Baggy Shankar, Member of Parliament for Ikey, Derby South; Romana Kausar, a lawyer and businesswoman; Shagufta Nazreen, a community activist; Councillor Shahid Nadeem, and Alderman Mushtaq Lashari, CBE, who addressed the audience. The speakers urged women from British Pakistani and other ethnic minority backgrounds to step forward, become leaders, and strengthen their political voices. They stressed that these voices are essential in shaping the future of the country, and that more work is needed to ensure women's full participation in all spheres of life. This event not only celebrated the achievements of British Pakistani women, but also powerfully reminded us of the work that still needs to be done to achieve true equality. It was a call to action for all to support and uplift women, ensuring their voices are heard and their contributions valued in every aspect of society.